this is Janetta Johnson. Have you ever had one of those days where your button falls off your shirt and you're like, oh my god, what do I do? I've never sewn on a button before. Well, this is the video for you. I'm here to help you with that problem. What you can do at like a grocery store or someplace, you can get one of these little starter kits. It's a little kit that has all the stuff you need for sewing on a button. And you take the needle out, and they have this little threader thing here, silver, and you put it through the hole in the needle. This can be a challenge sometimes. I've done this a million times. You think I'd be able to get this little thing through the hole. Okay, you get it through the hole like this, and then you put your thread through, and oops, you get your thread through the little thing there, and you pull it through the needle like this. Okay, once you get your needle threaded and you cut off your thread where you want it, I've already cut this thread, but you would cut the thread. Then you get to the end of your thread here and you would tie a knot. Okay, tie a knot. Okay. I like to sometimes, whoops, I don't know if I got it through the, pull it through, you knot it. I like to double knot, just because then I feel like it stays better once because sometimes it doesn't stay in place when you put it in there. I like to have a good solid knot, personally. This is a personal preference. Okay, sometimes I'll try to knot it 3 times, get it solid. I want a good solid knot. And if I have extra hanging off at the end, I'll just trim it a little bit up to the knot. Not so you take the knot out, you still need the knot. Okay, then you take your button. Then you take your material that you need to sew it onto, and you come in from the back, and you put it in there, and then you put it through one of the little holes. And then you're going to put it through the other little hole. Whoops. Go through the other little hole. Like this. Okay. Let me get it in here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm not sure you can see what I'm doing at the moment. Anyway, oops. Okay, if you have issues like what I'm having right here, thread doesn't want to cooperate with me, pull it out, pull it back through. Get it solid, get it down in there like this. Then you go back from behind again, near where you're at, and you put it through the other little hole. If you can see what I'm doing, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing correctly here. You put it through the other side. Your goal here is to get it stable. Oops. Okay, and then I like to go through, oops, from behind here, up, back through. I like to make sure I stabilize it by doing it like 3, 4, sometimes 5 times, just to make sure I get it nice and solid. Okay, and then you tie it off and back. Or sometimes I'll go through the material and back just to stabilize this before I tie it off, just so that your button isn't as likely to come off right away. You want to keep that button on there when you sew on a button. So there you go, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope this was helpful for anybody who's never sewed on a button before. This is my goal, to teach you how to put a button on for beginners. Oh yeah, and you take your scissors and cut the thread. Anyway, there you have it. A button sewn onto your material. I hope this video was helpful. If you like my video, push like, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. And if this was helpful, please comment below and let me know that I helped you. Thank you.